Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing goddess box braids on my medium 4C afro hair. I usually do flat twists at the front to protect my hairline, and this is the hair that I'll be using. So the curly ends is the Afri-Naptural T1B Burgundy Caribbean Forks Remy Fiber bundle braids, and there's 3 bundles in here. And this is crochet hair, but I'm going to use it to plait into my box braids so the ends can be nice and curly. This is the Xpressions collection. It's lightweight, you can dip it in hot water. It says it's tangle free and it's already pre-plucked or pre-feathered. This is number 2/39, so it looks a bit like a burgundy, so I'm just going to match these 2 colors together. I think they will go together nicely, and as I said, I really like the Xpression collection, so I want to try it in every single color that they have to offer. And for my products, I'm just going to be using the Cantu Shea Butter collection. So I'll moisturize my hair with the leave-in and the pomade first, and then for my edges and everything I'll use the twist and lock gel, and to make sure there's no flyaways poking out I'll use some of the gel as I go down the ends of the braid. And then I'll just use my natural oil, homemade oil. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching and I'll see you at the end of the video. So guys, this is how far I have come to. I'm almost finished, and I just came back so I can show you how I do my braids. I'm gonna be wearing the goddess braids for the first time, but this is not the first time that I've attempted them, and it's actually really easy to do. So again, my hair is moisturized and clean and everything underneath before I put my braids in. And the ratio of the braiding hair should match the ratio of the hair that you have parted. And normally I just prefer to do my hair small, with small braids. That way as well I can control how many packs I use. I don't like walking around with 10 packs of hair on my head. So I've just interlocked the hair like so. You split it in half and you wrap it around each other like this. And now I'm just going to go in and attach it. As I go down my hair, I'm using the jam to smooth my natural hair so it doesn't poke out of the braid. There's 3 different legs, so I have to smooth each of the legs. When it comes to braids, it's up to you how big or how small you want to wear them, or how many packs of hair that you choose to use. I tend to just go for 2 packs, because I find that 2 packs can do my hair. Oftentimes there's half of a pack left over, or maybe a quarter of a pack left over, so I don't need too many packs. I don't braid tight, my hand is not heavy, my hair is not heavy afterwards. I can still sleep comfortably at night. So that's how I like to do my braids. Then as I come down here where it starts to get more thin, that's the one thing that I don't like with Xpressions hair. As it comes down, it gets thinner and thinner and thinner. Now I'm going to add in the curly pieces, and I've split one section like this into about 3. So you attach it like so and start plaiting it in. Some people, they will go ahead and burn the hair together. Others will use some super glue or their hot glue gun. I'm simply going to tie a knot around the hair 3 to 5 times. Keep plaiting, keep plaiting. I'm going to stop it about there. I'm going to take a thin piece of hair and tie a knot at the end of my braids. Try to let it look as neat as possible. And I wrap that about 5 times. Now I'm going to separate all the straight pieces. And just give that a trim. And that's what the braid looks like afterwards at the end. Now step back, that's what it looks like by itself. So this is one of the ways to do goddess braids as well. Hey guys, so this is the end result of my long burgundy goddess braids. I'll do a 360 so you can see the complete look, and I'll also put some pictures in. So this is what they look like. This is how much is left of the Xpressions braiding hair. I didn't even use the complete 2 packs. And from the curly Caribbean hair, I only needed 1 pack. So this is unopened. And from the pack that I did open, this is how much is left. So the hair definitely lasts. It's definitely enough for 1 head. What else? I use the mousse to, you know, make it smooth, and also for the curly ends, because there's no way that you can dip this in hot water. It's synthetic hair and you will lose the curls. And then I went ahead and added some shine with my serum. So I'll insert some pictures so you can see the total look. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Bye!